We're back at it again with another video featuring Zamarie Hunter and her, whatever you call that slime.
Jelly slime. We got from
Jelly
Walmart.
slime.
So, today, guys, we're going to be showing you how to make a slime unsticky. So, like that. So, you will need some lotion if it's not sticky, if it is sticky and not scratchy. So, we're just going to get some lotion. And we're just going to mix it.
What's the lotion do again?
It's going to make it scratchy and unsticky. Scratchy. Anyway. And boom. So now, because a while ago, when this jelly slime, we was feeling it. And so you could tell from this slime. And regular jelly. So you can tell from it, but on the cover it looks like regular jelly. So you should actually know how to tell the difference between those two. See? You can already tell this one isn't slime because, first of all, look at the color. Look at the color. And it's not scratchy like it. And watch what happens when you add lotion. So, it just turns it lighter and it does do nothing else. So, trash that. So, that's a tip how to make it kind of unsticky. But it will make it really scratchy.
Before we go on with the video, make sure you hit that like button.
And subscribe.
Hit that subscribe button.
And a notification button.
The video is dedicated to Zamarie Hunter.
And please like my video, please. So, and
smash the bleep out of that like button.
And I will be making some more, but the next one I will be making is like a no glue slime or something. Right after this one. So, guys, next I will probably be doing an armor or satisfying bear. And yeah, so we about to go on with the no glue slime.
And that will be on the next video. Catch you later.